Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Chem Karuna. In this video, we are going to discuss chemistry, mechanism of action, and stability of tetracyclines. Let us see the structure of tetracyclines. Tetracyclines contain keto group at first and 11th position. At second position, there is a presence of CONH2 group. At fourth position, we have dimethyl amino group. And there is a presence of methyl group and OH group at 6th position. At 7th position we have R substitution. This R can be chlorine in case of chlor-tetracycline. At 3, 6, 10, 12 and 12A there is a presence of OH group. And there is a presence of unsaturation at C2 and C3 and C11A and C12. The examples of various tetracyclines include chlor-tetracycline, oxytetracycline, D-meclotetracycline, doxycycline, methacycline, minocycline, meclocycline, and tigecycline. Chlor-tetracycline contains chlorine group at 7th position. In case of oxytetracycline, there is a presence of OH group at 5th position. In case of D-meclotetracycline, we have chlorine atom at 7th position along with hydrogen atom at 6th position. In minocycline, there is a presence of dimethyl amino group at 7th position. Let us see the mechanism of action of tetracycline. Tetracyclines, they enter the bacterial cell by two processes, either by passive diffusion or by active transport. Active transport is an energy dependent process and requires ATP and magnesium ions. Tetracyclines are inhibitors of bacterial protein synthesis. They bind to 30th ribosomal subunit and thereby prevent the binding of amino-acyl tRNA to mRNA ribosome complex. The binding of amino-acyl tRNA and binding of tetracycline at the ribosomal binding site requires magnesium ions for activity. Chemistry of tetracyclines. Tetracyclines have 3 pKa system and 3 acidity constant. The pKa one is called as tricarbonyl methane region and the pKa value is 2.8 to 3.3. It is called as conjugated enone system. pKa2 is phenol diketone system. The value is 7.2 to 7.8. And the third pKa system is dimethyl ammonium ion. The range is 9.1 to 9.7. It is a basic function wherein containing dimethyl ammonium ion. Let us see the effect of pH on tetracycline. At intermediate pH, tetracyclines undergo epimerization in solutions at C4, leading to formation of inactive epitetracyclines. Natural tetracyclines, they contain alpha orientation, which is indicated by dotted line, whereas epitetracyclines, they contain beta orientation, which is indicated by solid line. And because of this beta orientation, epitetracyclines are inactive. Epitetracyclines, they exhibit much less activity than the natural isomer, and under acidic conditions, they establish equilibrium in about 1 day, consisting of approximately equal amount of isomer. Let us see the effect of strong acid. Strong acids, they attack the tetracyclines having hydroxyl group on C6, causing loss of activity through modification of C ring. There is a formation of double bond at C5A and C6, and at the same time there is shifting of position of double bond from C11A and C12 to C11 and C11A, forming more energetically favored resonance system of naphthalene. We can see here in the structure, there is a formation of a double bond between C5A and C6, and there is a shift of double bond from C11A and 12 position to C11 and C11A, leading to formation of this naphthalene ring system. The structure which is formed by this attack of acids is called as anhydrotetracycline, which is inactive. Let us see the action of bases. Bases, they promote inactive reaction between the C6-hydroxyl group and the keto group at C11 position. There is cleavage of C11 and C11A bond leading to formation of lactone ring producing tetracycline, that is isotetracycline. We can see here in the structure at C6 position we have hydroxyl group, and at C11 there is a presence of keto group. So in presence of a base there is a cleavage taking place of the C11 and C11A bond leading to formation of lactone ring. We can see here there is a formation of lactone ring, and the resulting structure is called as isotetracycline. This isotetracycline is inactive in nature. These unfavorable reactions thus stimulated research that led to development of more stable and long-acting compounds like doxycycline, minocycline, and metacycline. So thank you for patient listening and happy learning. Like, share and subscribe my channel Chem Corona.